Health Info Talk provides health and medical information that is quality assured, reliable, up-to-date and easy to understand.
Neem, which is also known as the Azadirachta indica, is the botanical name for the tree. It is also known as Indian lilac, neem tree, margasa etc. Neem is an Ayurvedic medicine used in a wide variety of beauty care products. It is a plant that is very beneficial to the human body and hair. Neem leaves are antibacterial and antifungal that treats all kinds of diseases and infections. For hair too, the benefits of neem is widely known. Hair loss is a major problem which not only is problematic for the elderly people but young adults or the teenagers have hair loss and hair fall issues as well. Neem is a great herb whose leaves, oil, bark powder etc. everything is literally used for skin care, hair care and for medicinal use. Explained here are the best uses and benefits that neem can give you. Neem is extremely useful for hair. Itchy scalp and dandruff. Neem contains antiseptic properties that heal wounds and itchy scalp. This wonderful herb will kill the bacteria and fungi responsible for your scalp itching and the dandruff, of course. Dry flaky scalp. Another problem that many people experience in winters is the dryness of the scalp. Neem leaves are rich in neem oil which eliminates the itching and makes the scalp moisturized. The oil is not very strong but by mixing with some coconut oil will give better results. Oiliness. Excessive oiliness is the result of too much sebum by the glands. Oiliness is not that good as we think. So, neem can also take away the excessive greasiness from the scalp. Hair loss and baldness. There are several factors responsible for the hair loss, thinning and baldness, and one can cure that with neem. Neem powder and leaves are rich in elements that can lessen the hair fall. Hair growth. Neem oil and neem leaves is good for hair. It can also initiate new hair growth. So, all those who wish to get new hair after the extreme hair loss can definitely get the help from neem and its products like oil, powder, leaves, etc. Clean scalp. Dandruff and other scalp infections can leave the skin dry or flaky. Neem can curb the dryness and leaves the hair scalp cleaner. Neem also removes the product buildup when you use too many chemicals and products in your hair. Conditions the hair. When neem oil or the neem leaves are applied regularly on the scalp, you will get happy hair which shines and are bouncy. Head lice. Neem can also get rid of the head lice. Unhygienic scalp and not taking proper care can be the reason. Application of neem will give relief from the head lice. Neem is effective in wonderfully treating the scalp itching and dandruff infection. Here the remedies will show up different ways to apply with neem to get relief in dandruff. (1) Neem and lemon juice. Take 2-3 teaspoonful of neem powder and add 1/4 cup of water in it. You will get a runny paste of neem and water. In that add 1-2 teaspoonful of lemon juice. Apply this all over your scalp and also on the hair. Rub gently to loosen up the dandruff flakes and to soak up the scalp deeply. Keep this for 30 minutes, then wash the scalp with clear water. Repeat this at least 2 times in a week for excessive dandruff and once in a week for mild dandruff. 2. Neem and tea tree oil. Take a handful of neem leaves and mix 1/4 cup of water. Blend the leaves to make a smooth paste of neem. Add 5-6 drops of tea tree oil and mix it well. Apply this paste on the scalp and leave it for 30-45 minutes. Wash with normal water and repeat twice in a week. Do check our elaborate post on tea tree oil for dandruff and hair growth. 3. Neem leaves and tulsi leaves. Take equal amounts of the neem and the henna leaves in a bowl, add some water and put these in the grinder. Grind them until a smooth lump-free paste is formed. Apply this paste on your scalp with dandruff and leave for an hour. Wash your head with water and cover with towel. This will excellently remove the dandruff and other scalp problems. 4. Neem and henna. For this, you can either take leaves or powder of neem and henna. Mix 2 teaspoonfuls of henna powder with 2 teaspoonfuls of neem powder. Then grind them with water. Finally apply the paste on the scalp and leave for 1 hour. Wash after that. This should be done once a week.
Thank you for watching Health Info Talk. Please subscribe to our channel for regular updates and news. And do like our FB page, www.facebook.com, Health Info Zone. Follow us on Twitter at Health Info Talk 1.